Kalea talaga yung must go to place ko tuwing pumupunta ako ng Bacolod. Grabe, tingnan nyo, sobrang dami ng cake na pagpipilian. We tried the chocolate mud pie. Ito yung bestseller nila, 130 per slice. Frozen chocolate ice cream siya with Oreo crust. First time ko na-try to, so na-brain freeze ako nung unang subo, pero sobrang sarap. You can order it with or without almonds, where I suggest order it with almonds para iwas umay. Then we ordered chocolate semifreddo, 110 per slice, butter chiffon cake with chocolate ice cream and vanilla ice cream. Para siyang ice cream bun sa Singapore, ang sarap. Next is blueberry cheesecake, 125 per slice. Nothing special pero hindi siya nakakaumay kasi oatmeal nut yung crust niya. And last is the coffee fudge cheesecake with Oreo crust. Sobrang sarap nito kung coffee lover ka. We also ordered coffee, pambalance lang sa sweetness. Check nyo na lang yung menu for more, ang dami pang pagpipilian.